आविभाज्य सदाचारः शास्त्रेऽस्मिन्नुदिते द्विधा नियमस्वास्थ्य रक्षायै प्रकृत्या शमनं रुजाम्. The righteousness set forth in this science, consisting of the laws of health and the cure of disease, is one and indivisible. The cure of disease is also the improvement of health, because we have established before that disease does not have an entity of its own. Health alone is real, disease is unreal. So we have to establish this here, that cure of disease is not something separate from improving of health. When disease does not exist, what are you curing? We don't have to do that. So all that we have to care is to improve health. When health is improved, the disease vanishes, because we do not know the cause of disease in other systems of medicine. In nature cure, cause of disease is one, no matter what disease it is. All diseases are one, cause of disease is also one. How is all disease one? In every symptom that we experience, every disease that is called differently, in everything there is effort of life. Its disease is life's expression of its will to health. In every case, whether you call it asthma or arthritis, rheumatism, diabetes, no matter what you call it, in every situation we have to understand that life is trying to heal you, life is trying to bring you back to health. That's all there is to it. That is disease. Disease or lack of ease is an indication that life is working vigorously to remove toxins from the body and re-establish functioning of different parts of the body. And in every situation, if you allow this effort of life to go on, it completes its job. All that we have to provide is four things. First and foremost is Vishwas. Vishwasa Shastra Siddhante Bharanyasa Paratmani Bhayarahityamitetat Trayam Manasa Bheshajam. The requisites are three sum. Believe in the principles expressed in the Vedanta, and then have implicit faith in God. Then the third one is completely be free from fear. Fear can ruin it. Fear kills more than fever, they say. That's what it is. If you have removed this fear, and if you have implicit faith in God, and if you believe that the Shastras, all the Vedantic scriptures have told us something real, all the inventions of science has been traced back to Vedic statements, there it is already covered in an elaborate measure. Science says every action has an equal and opposite reaction, whereas this Vedic scripture says every action has two reactions. One is an immediate reaction, another is an ultimate reaction. If the immediate reaction is good, ultimate reaction not good, do not follow that path. That itself shows us that Vedic scriptures have more information, elaborate information about every scientific invention. Now we are seeing here that there are so many people who are trying to cure a disease. In nature cure we say all diseases are one. We don't have to cure them. We have to improve health, that's all. The treatment of all diseases are also one. Cause of all diseases is one. See, all the three things are becoming one. That's called Advaitam or unity. Unity of diseases, unity of the cause of diseases, unity of treatment of disease. These three form the very important pillars of nature cure. Then we go in detail in next verse to see how we deal with situations.